Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Shao King once again, and I'm back with another video. Okay guys, in this video we're basically going to go through the free Forex course that is found on BabyPips. So if you go to www.babypips.com, you'll find preschool of Pipsology. In this video, as you can see, we're going to talk about what Forex is and other topics, but the first topic is what is Forex. So I'll define Forex in my own terms as I was taught. You guys can follow the instructions and read what is in the video if you like. I'll be going through this series of videos. There are 11 courses and I'll go through all of them with you. So in my own words, Forex is the exchange of one currency to the other, okay? And how do we make profit? We make profit by the difference in price between those two currencies. Well, in simple terms, this is basically you going to give something in exchange for something else. So that is foreign exchange. That is an exchange, okay? And foreign exchange is when you do it with a foreign currency, okay, guys? So this is basically what I have put up in this video for you. So you can basically do the course. The first round is basically just terminology. You're just going to learn the different definitions within the foreign exchange market, what is Forex, and you will find more information along this video. Okay, so I want you guys to know that we trade within a market with a liquidity pool of over $6 trillion per day. Okay, that is a lot of money, guys. With that being said, the whole idea of trading foreign exchange is for you to master a technique with which you're going to capitalize on the market opportunities. Okay, so once you find a strategy that works for yourself, you should be able to make a few dollars here and there. You know, the minimum you can trade with is $1 to infinity. So basically, with what you're able to deposit into the brokers, you'll be able to find trading opportunities on which you're going to capitalize and grow your profits step by step. So this is basically a very short video that I wanted to share with you guys, because this is going to help all of those of you who did not go through any professional Forex course. BabyPips has made a very simple, in detailed video of what Forex is, and those are the basics that anyone who has been interested in trading Forex has taken, you know. And like, okay guys, watch the video until the end, like and subscribe to my channel, share with your friends and family. I'll be posting more than 25 series of videos with this introductory course to the foreign exchange market. So if you like the video and you do happen to watch it, all you have to do is the sections which interest you, you pause. I'll leave the link in the description so that you're able to do the course on your own on BabyPips. And once you are done with that course, then we can proceed on with the more advanced courses. I'll obviously get in more details when it comes to trading with technical analysis and so on, so you guys don't have to worry about this. Enjoy.